Be ready, start. It is the contention of the learned counsel for the respondents that the deceased was travelling in the said Tata chassis along with goods. He was relative of the driver, so it cannot be considered as a paying passenger. The insurance of the valid vehicle was taken. Hence, the person who was traveling in the said vehicle is covered under the insurance policy. The tribunal has considered all the aspects and passed the judgment which is legal and valid. Para. I have heard all learned counsel perused the judgment and order passed by the tribunal. Admittedly, the Tata chassis offending vehicle was going towards dealer from the place of manufacturer and there was temporary registration of the said vehicle. Para. Section 43 of the Motor Vehicles Act provides for issuance of temporary registration. Subsection 2 of Section 43 of the Motor Vehicles Acts read thus. Para. A registration made under this section shall be valid only for a period not existing 1 month and shall not be renewable, provided that where a motor vehicle so registered is a chassis to which a body has not been attached and the same is detained in a workshop beyond the said period of 1 month for being fitted with a body or any unforeseen circumstances beyond the control of the owner. The period may, on payment of such fees, if any, as may be prescribed, be extended by such period of periods as the registering authority or other prescribed authority as the case may be may allow. Para. This section states the temporary registration period is only for 1 month. The policy issued to the said vehicle was transit policy and the body of the vehicle was only chassis and not a whole body. When there was only a chassis vehicle, then carrying passenger in it is not permitted. Hence, liability of the deceased cannot be fastened on the appellant. Respondent number 1 is the driver of the said truck and respondent number 2 is the owner of the said Tata chassis. Hence, liability of paying compensation is on respondent number 1 and respondent number 2. The tribunal has erroneously held that the appellant is liable for paying compensation as the insurance policy was taken from the appellant. As observed earlier, it was transit policy. It was not applicable to other person except driver of offending vehicle. Hence, I pass the following order stop